Hello, Scouts. So, this is my basil plant. Alright, it's on the front side of my house. It does not get a lot of sun. It faces north. But this is September, and this plant is coming on the end of its cycle. Okay, and I don't know if you can see if we can get some focus in here, but there are lots of little black spots on these leaves. Gosh, I wish it would. There we go. You can see on that leaf right there. You can see all the little black spots in there. Those are actually basil seeds. So at some point, what I'm going to do in the next couple of weeks is I'm going to clip off all of these flowers and I'm going to stick them in a brown paper bag and save them for next season. Alright, I'll probably take some of this basil and I'll stick it in a bag and stick it in the freezer so that I have basil for during the winter. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start getting ready for my fall and winter crops. What I'm going to do, I got to pull that weed out too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plant some peas. So these right here are a sugar lace pea. They should take 68 days, is what I wrote, to produce fruit, and that's after it's come out of the ground. They should take a week or two to germinate, to actually sprout and come out of the ground. Alright? And this particular one should end up being kind of like a bush and about 30 or so inches tall. Okay, but peas are very interesting. What they do is they add nitrogen back into the dirt. Okay? And this being a potted plant, anything we can add to it's going to help. Alright? I'm actually going to end up planting peas in lots of my gardens. So what we have to do to plant these is very, very difficult. I'm going to make a hole that's about 1.5 inches or so. And we're going to take a pea and we're going to drop it in the hole and cover it up. I'm going to do that, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 or 6 times in this little pot. And we'll water it, and we'll see if it grows. It will either grow, or it won't grow. Either way, I'm going to have some fun gardening. So, Scouts, if you are in an area where you have a mild winter, if you're in California, it might be a fun idea to plant some peas, or maybe some winter squash, or some beans. Alright? No matter what you do, though, remember to do your best, and have fun, and keep gardening.